Last night, I listened to the Tesla earnings call, which is basically a conversation with Elon Musk and his shareholders, and I was moved by it. I spent an hour listening to it, and then this morning I went back and listened to parts of it again. Elon's worried. He is genuinely worried about what is going to happen to our economy, not only as a result of the wars that are going on, but also the higher interest rates and the effects it's going to have, as he says, not only on people buying cars, but buying everything. It is a decision that we are going to have to make, is how are we going to spend our money? We've got then the earnings calls of Amazon and Google coming up next week, and I think they're critical, and I want you to be aware of it. I just finished making a video with my overview of the Tesla earnings call, and I'm going to put that on YouTube tomorrow morning. So I want to encourage you to watch that. It's going to give you some insights. And then the other thing I really would encourage you to do is read Walter Isaacson's book on Elon Musk. This is the wealthiest man in the world, one of the smartest people in the world, and you need to get to know him.